Hey guys, I just recently bought this jeweler's loupe. It's 10 times magnification, and it's by BelOMO. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that. And it's got a triplet lens, and again it was 10 times magnification. Got a 21 millimeter or 0.85 inch optical glass with anti-reflection coatings for a bright view. Now I got this off of Amazon. It was $34.98 plus tax. It is their model number LP-3-10x. This thing is super lightweight, only 1.4 ounces. Now the actual viewing area of that lens is 17 millimeters or 0.65 inches. It states online that this optical quality glass lens is certified just like a camera lens. Now I bought this because I wanted a good quality loupe magnifier that I could use when trying to find numbers or something on small objects. And so I'm glad that I got this. It's very quality constructed. This lens is manufactured by the Belarusian Optiko-Mechanichesckoye Association, hence the BelOMO designation. This lens does have a nice depth of field. Now for handheld use, I find this to be very nice. It's not too much magnification. You can view objects, and for me it's fairly steady. I don't have any problems. Now it says that this loupe has 3 achromatic color correction anti-reflection lenses that make it possible to see the image as precise and clear as in the original. Due to the presence of these 3 lenses, the loupe is called a triplet. And again, I find it to be very bright image that it gives. As you can see, this is held together with screws on both sides. And when you open this up, it has just the right amount of friction to keep this in place no matter how you turn it, where you set it. It doesn't move. And one of the good things about that is that if you have to, you can adjust them for any wear or anything should you need to change the friction of the loupe as you open it. I like the nice matte finish, and it's kind of like a crinkle paint, or it's got a bit of a texture to it. Now, something that I did not know is that this Belarusian Optiko-Mechanichesckoye Association, they make telescope and camera lenses and other optical components. So I had never heard of them before. The housing which the loupe folds into is constructed of metal. The housing that surrounds the lens elements and holds them, retains them, is a plastic material. You do get information, the small little leaflet that has stuff on it about its certifications, some other information, and then on this side here you can see where it's stamped. I can't read it, I don't know what it says, but it does say 2021 in purple. And if this lens would ever need cleaning, I would treat it like any optical glass. One of the things that I like to use is this visible dust blower. You can use any kind, but to get off any dust and stuff, and if well maintained, you shouldn't have to do anything more than that. But if you do clean the surface, use the same optical cleaners that you would, again, for a camera lens or any other fine glass surface. Here you're looking at the glass from the front side of the magnifier. And the glass from the back side where the retaining ring is. And this shows some dimensions that I got off the internet. Now I'm just holding this up to my camera lens, and I want to see how this works with a fingerprint. And again, this isn't going to be as nice as what you would see, because I don't know if I've got the tilt of this magnifier right and the right distance, you know, all that kind of stuff that has to come together. But look at that. Take my word for it, it is very clear. Now this is even better if I keep it away from the lens. Still doesn't give you the true quality that you actually will see. Let's try a ballpoint pen. There we go. And believe me, when you're not doing it here on the lens, holding it the way I am, it's really something else. Here we see a dime. Now here's a small knot in a piece of plywood. The threads of a 1/4 20 bolt. And look at the surface of this nut. You can literally see, this is a 1/4 20, and you can literally see the imperfections in the surface. Here's something that I printed out. Check out that detail. Now look at the detail here in George Washington's face off of a dollar bill.